All right, hello there dear traders and welcome to today's webinar. It's going to be a really quick one and short one, so I do hope that some of you do have a chance to jump in on board with us. And today we're going to be opening up a trade on Bitcoin. Now it appears that Bitcoin has hit the bottom, and I'll show you guys all these situations yet. Now you can see that this kind of chop and this kind of uncertainty is something that we have seen in the past on the daily graph. But I want to focus your attention. This is going to be a short-term trade. We're going to keep it open for about 40 minutes. The first thing that we have on the 15-minute graph is the engulfing candle and this kind of stairs-like pattern as we're going higher. So whenever we do have a sell-off in the last little while, it's never taken us past a level of support. So this kind of gives us the confidence to take this trade. And I want to direct your attention to the last few areas where we did have kind of a breakout and then some follow through to the top side. So right here is obviously where the majority of the trade has already gone through, and so somewhere during the breakout is where you want to get out. So I want to show you the area that we're going to be using as a take profit. Now that's only if you're opening the trade on a Forex platform. What we're going to be doing in this webinar is we're going to be opening it up on the FTT platform. All right, so that was one example, the one example here on the 15-minute graph, and the second example I wanted to show you guys was here. So again, we kind of have a bullish engulfing candle, and then after a little bit of sideways action, price continues up. So actually, this was the engulfing candle that I wanted to show you guys. So that's kind of the situation that we would like to be in. Unfortunately, we do have this kind of red hangman candle that's happening right now, but the CCI is back into the working area. And for those of you that have watched my webinars before, you guys are well aware that I really like this indicator as it shows us a reversal back into the working territory that usually has a good risk to reward ratio. So without further ado, let me put my money where my mouth is. It's a $300 trade. We're going to open it up for about 45 minutes. I believe the later it is going to be, the better. Again, on a small time frame, you want to have a longer duration of your trade, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. Oh, excuse me. Perfect, and we have a little bit of that time for it to correct down to the bottom. So let's go ahead and open up the trade. Okay, perfect. Bitcoin, $300. Always double check your trades. Always double check the multiplier. Always double check the direction that you're going. And perfect. Let's go ahead and open it up in the up position. So in about 40 minutes, what we're going to do is come back to this trade, and you guys will be able to see live what the result of the trade is. So make sure that you have the little bell icon clicked. And I do want to say what's up to you guys. So Lasso Basala, Prince Chaudhry, Brothers 007, Jonathan Molina, Ali Mohebi, welcome. So my strategy, basically, my strategy was that I have opened up on a bullish reversal candlestick on an asset that has over the last few days reached a bottom. Now, there's a lot of, there was a large sell-off during this time in Bitcoin, and that was due to China banning the, how do you say it, the mining of cryptocurrency in the country, and so that was a major sell-off. And then over the last 2 months, we had some really strong bullish action, and the last single month, what we had over the month of October, was a bearish trend, but I'm not buying it. I don't really feel that there's a lot to go down on. And of course, this is a short-term trade, so we're opening it up for about an hour, for 45 minutes. And on the 15-minute graph, we had another major signal that I personally use all the time in my personal trading. It is the return of the CCI back into the working area. And we have the likes of the MACD now coming up above the 0 area, or coming back into positive territory. Just to show you guys some of the trades that I've taken in the past. Right now it looks like it's a green. Oh, and one more thing, guys, I didn't show you this when I'm picking the asset, but when I click fixed time trades, I want to be trading everything above 80%. You usually want to keep your rate of return up higher, and make sure that asset that you're really used to trading, like say you're used to trading oil, make sure that you catch it at the time where it's worth a lot, right? There are times of really low volatility where the asset is worth nothing, like 30%. So make sure to keep an eye on that when you're trading the FTT platform. No quiz, no competition. I want to keep this video short and sweet, you guys. We are already getting up there in time. So once again, I'm going to come back in 40 minutes, show you guys how the trade played out, and then we'll go on to talk about how we're going to run this kind of event in the future. We're going to try to give you guys trade signals every single day, so make sure you sign up and you watch out for those. Again, this is a free service for now that we're providing, and so make sure that you can get some of it. And again, I hope this trade, if any of you guys are taking this trade with me, I do hope that it comes out in positive. Again, this is my own money, just to show you guys some of the trades that I do make. This was for the competition, please don't mind that, but I closed that monster trade, the Aussie Japanese yen, yesterday. So $11,000 was the income on that trade. So yeah, I hope that this one goes through as well, and I'll see you guys in about 40 minutes. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.